write a program to greater of two numbers. Sublime. Yeah, we already have this main function, and we will initialize those variables. Int number1, num2, and we have to take an input of num1 and num2. Okay, after taking input, we have to just compare if num1 is greater than num2. Of course, we all know num1 is greater else num2 is greater. Just a matter of seconds. Now let's check after compiling. G largest number dot cpp dash o la or gest number dot out. So there is not any error, and let's output of this program. Largest number dot out, and we have to initialize number1 and number2. So number1 is 4, number2 is 5. 5 is greater. We got this. And what if there was a 3 number? Int num3. Then the whole criteria will change. Num1 is greater than num2 and num1 should be greater than num3. Then num1 is greater. We remove else and compare another condition. Else if num2 should be greater than num1 and num2 should be greater than num3. Then num2 is greater, and after that num3 is greater than num1 and num3 is greater than num2. So num3 is greater. We got it right, and let's check either our program is correct or there is some bugs in it. After compiling, we open terminal with the respective directories and paste some important commands just like G++, or we have to go to the library. cpp G++, name of the file largest number .cpp-o. Now name of the output of the file, that's output file name is largest number .out. So here also we have not any error, so we just make output of this program by just pasting largest number dot out. So we have to give in some input just like 3 for num1, 4 for num2, and what the hell is this? Ooh. Oh my god, here's the problem is this. We just take 2 input here and we have to take 3 input. Got it? What's our mistake? And now we will do well in code. After compiling this, there is not any bugs. Largest number and 4 for num1, 5 for num2, and 6 for num3. Okay, and we know the third num is greater, means 6 is greater, and what we found, 6 is greater. So in this program we just know how to find the largest number of between 2 numbers and 3 numbers. So stay cool and let's check out the next program.